Best deals. In this video, let's zone off kitchen gadgets that are fully transparent and made up of food-grade material that will sway any kitchen settings. Glass is a popular material for kitchens due to its non-porous nature, ease of cleaning, and versatility. Its non-porosity ensures it doesn't absorb odors or stains, making it hygienic for food storage and kitchen surfaces. Glass is also durable, heat-resistant, and easy to maintain, making it ideal for countertops, backsplashes, and storage containers. All the product links are given in the description. 1. Citrus Juicer. The lemon squeezer with bowl, designed as a reamer, is ideal for limes and lemons. The high-quality glass juice squeezer is shaped for easy juicing while the draining holes stop pips from falling into the juice. The glass juicer is ideal for making lemonades, cocktails, smoothies, marinades. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Grater. It is designed as a kitchen tool to shred food easily and quickly. Clear glass grater will provide great help in the kitchen. It is easy to clean, dishwasher safe, or you can wash by hand. It is also a perfect gift for any special days such as baby showers, or as a present for new parents. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Dinner plates. Is fully transparent, with an elegant yet simple look that will put you in a better mood as you dine. Clear plates will be a super ideal choice as creative gifts for birthday, housewarming, Thanksgiving Day, or Christmas. Made of thicker material, so they will be heavier and sturdier, can be used for a longer period of time. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Casserole dish. The universal handle makes the casserole cookware easy to take it out of the oven with oven mitts, and the lid is easily lifted by the knob on top, providing you with more convenience. The casserole dishes for oven with lids can keep foods away from drying out or browning, also suitable for refrigerator storage, practical in use, allowing you to use food with confidence. This baking dish with lid is designed for small families and parties, suitable for tomato soups, stews, casseroles, vegetables, salads, and dinners. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Glass teapot. Safe for dishwasher top rack and microwave use, not for use with any metal utensils. Glass tea infuser, lid easily detachable, cleaning and built to last. Durable borosilicate glass teapot used directly in gas or electric stovetop, use medium level heat source to heat water for brewing. Glass teapot completely handcrafted, made from heat-resistant borosilicate glass, specially designed with non-dripping spout, streamlined teapot outlet mouth for smooth water flowing, and effectively prevent water splashing, and perfect handle for strong grip. Glass tea kettle BPA-free, no lead and other toxic chemicals. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Glass jars. The flour sugar storage containers feature a wide mouth design and come with a plastic measuring cup for easy access, which can accommodate the entire hand to easily enter and exit, which can ensures easily scooping flour or sugar out. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Butter dish. Made of durable and high quality glass. The glass butter dish with cover is very thick walled and substantial. The glass butter stick holder has a nice weight to it. It is made of high-quality materials and craftsmanship. The Elegance glass butter dish will dazzle your guests. There are vertical ridges on the butter keeper side. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Teaspoon. Made from highly hygienic, borosilicate glass by Tea Bloom, the spoon is precisely sized, allowing you to measure and brew the perfect cup. Perfect measure glass teaspoon is an essential addition to the repertoire of any and all passionate tea sippers. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Milkshake glass. The aesthetic of these milkshake cups goes functionality. They bring a retro charm to your table. Show off these nice Sunday glasses to your friends and family, and let them appreciate your refined taste in contemporary, yet vintage-looking dessert receptacles. These soda glasses are not only aesthetically pleasing but also highly practical, enjoyable drink or dessert time. Serve as your good kitchen assistant, adding a touch of exquisite to your table. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Mixing bowls. This is the perfect set for all manners of prepping, baking and home entertainment. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Lemon juicer. Crafted from heavyweight, lead-free glass. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Cutting board. Constructed from premium tempered glass, this cutting board is both sturdy and durable, ensuring it can withstand the rigors of daily use. The smooth edges provide a comfortable grip and prevent any accidental cuts or scrapes. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Glass bowls. These round transparent glass deep bowls can be nested and stored easily. These durable glass condiment bowls are easy to clean, convenient to refill food for party. The separate deep bowls also makes dishwashing and storing easy. Bowls set can display your appetizers, vegetables, fruits, desserts, ice cream, toppings, salads, cheese, cookies, cupcakes, sushi. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Pot. Perfect for making pasta, soup, stew, tea, baby food, and warm aromatics. A heat-resistant glass pot with anti-scald handles is a true kitchen multitasker, ideal as a glass cooking pot and pasta pot. Transparent glass simmer pot allows you to monitor your food without lifting the lid, ensuring continuous, even cooking. This 2L clear simmer pot for stove potpourri prevents heat and steam loss, making your cooking process efficient and hassle-free. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Cake plate. These glass cake domes are suitable for the most casual of homes and the finest of restaurants. Great display for cakes, snacks, sweets, appetizers, cheeses, fruits. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Triple deep bowl. Made of quality glass, heavy and sturdy, built to last, safe for kitchen use, easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Clear glass shows light green color in natural light. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Tumblers. The beside night carafe is handcrafted by professional artisans. Not only suitable for everyday use, but can also be used to decorate your home, as well as for nightstand water serving bottles. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Canister. The airtight jar is made of imported plastic, which is non-toxic, odorless. The 92% light transmittance makes it look as transparent as glass, but it won't break. It's so strong that it's hard to break even with a hammer. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Bowls. Tackles kitchen prep and tableside serving with clarity, practicality and, above all, stylish simplicity. Its clear design allows you to see exactly what you put into each bowl, avoiding confusion. Each mini bowl fits into your palm for convenient usage. Bowls are used to hold spices like cayenne pepper, salt, cinnamon, and others. Ingredient bowls also are often used to hold chopped vegetables, especially smaller ones like garlic, scallions, and ginger. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Straws. Made of food-grade high borosilicate glass, lead and BPA-free. Be high strength, stiffness, hardness and good resistance to mill. Thus, there will be no metallic taste in your drink, no leave aftertaste from your last drink. Perfect match for various beverages such as smoothies, milkshake. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Pitcher. A vintage-style glass pitcher can be an excellent addition to the tabletop decor, holiday display, and your glassware collection. An easy pour spout and larger curve handle make it easy to hold and carry. The pitcher is not only functional but also aesthetically pleasing, making it a perfect centerpiece for parties or gatherings, like formal holiday dinners or backyard BBQ. Product link is given in the 21st link.